with a big bang with its premium thin and light series, the Galaxy Book 2. The one in front of us is the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. This is a convertible premium thin and light laptop in the Galaxy Book 2 Pro series. This is Samsung's slimmest, lightest and most premium convertible thin and light laptop. It runs on the latest Intel 12th Gen processors, which boasts of a massive performance boost over the previous generation. Before we get to the top 5 features of the device, let's quickly unbox the laptop and see what's in the box. Opening the box up, we are greeted by the laptop itself. Let's put that aside for now. On the side, we see the charging brick. Picking this up, we see that the brick has a USB Type-C port. Underneath the laptop, you'll see the charging cable and documentation. The documentation is pretty straightforward and consists of the warranty information as well as some safety instructions. The box also contains the S Pen stylus. The charging cable is a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. That was a quick look at everything you get with the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. Now, let's go over some of the key features of the laptop. The first thing you need to know about the laptop is that it comes with Intel Evo certification. In fact, it is also among the first laptops in India to be based on the latest Intel Evo platform with 12th Gen Intel Core processors. This means users can expect power pack performance with little compromise on battery efficiency. The capable CPUs are further assisted by super-fast 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of PCIe NVMe SSD storage. All this combined with advanced cooling systems help to sustain performance during heavy workloads. The next feature we'll talk about is the build. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro features a premium metallic build which adds a dash of class to the whole device. This is made even more evident by the overall design of the laptop. The laptop is 11.5mm thick and weighs in at about 1.04 kilograms, making it not only a great looker but also easy to carry around. This combination of form and functionality is pretty evident when you consider the 2-in-1 design of the laptop. Simply flip the screen over and use the laptop as a tablet. This neatly brings us to the next key feature of the laptop, the display. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 packs a compact 13.3-inch FHD panel. This ensures a smaller overall footprint for the laptop, which in turn helps with portability. However, what really makes this laptop stand out is the fact that this is an AMOLED panel. This means you get more vibrant colors as well as deeper blacks. Of course, you can't just have great visuals without good audio. Thankfully, the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 has got you covered. The laptop offers you audio by AKG and Dolby Atmos. So, you get a quality audio experience while listening to music or watching videos. Even video calls will improve as the laptop comes with intelligent noise cancellation. This intelligently cancels out background noise such as dogs barking, keyboard sounds, and more. And finally, let's talk about connectivity. The laptop supports Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, which allows access to the 6 GHz band. This allows for faster speeds and lower latency. Physical connections are handled by 2 USB Type-C ports and a Thunderbolt port. There's also a MicroSD card reader and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Well, that was a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 as well as a look at some of its key features. Thank you so much for watching.